Hey there, Firestick enthusiasts. Ready to explore live TV possibilities? You're in the right place. Let's unlock free live TV together. First, visit our recommended site, https://www.2tv.store for the best IPTV. This platform provides top-notch IPTV services, transforming your viewing pleasure. Now, let's dive into setting up live TV on your Firestick. Start by connecting your Firestick to your TV and power source. Navigate to Settings and select My Fire TV for further setup. Enable developer options by turning on apps from unknown sources. Download a trusted IPTV app like Kodi or Plex to start streaming. Open the app and configure it according to your preferences. Once configured, access a world of live TV channels instantly. For a premium experience, don't miss the IPTV provider 2tv.store. Benefit from a vast selection of channel options available now. Enjoy high-quality streams without interruptions or extra cost. Imagine watching your favorite shows live anytime, anywhere you desire. This IPTV solution keeps you connected with entertainment universally. Before wrapping up, remember, 2tv.store is a game changer, guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit like and subscribe now. Stay tuned for more amazing Firestick guides next time. Bye.